Greetings, everyone. All 10 of you. Today, I'm a little bit late on the bandwagon, as always, but a couple weeks ago, I purchased the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight. I'll be honest, I don't know who Amrezy is. Probably a beauty guru that I will inevitably be jealous of because they had a collab with a big brand. Anyway, this was super hyped up. Super. And I've been on the lookout for a good highlight that I really like anyway. I have a little itty bitty Becca shimmering skin perfector in the shade Opal that I use every day, but it's just a tiny little thing. And I'm on the look. I'm on the prowl to find something new. And this, I thought I'd give it a try. So let's have a little looky-loo at the Ulta website where I purchased it. Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy Highlighter, $28. Amrezy Highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a limited edition illuminating powder with an ultra smooth formula and radiant finish. Benefits. It's a universal shade for highlighting the face, eyes, and body. Can be applied wet or dry with a luxe compact with mirror. So, let's open this up. This is a very nice little compact. It looks more expensive than it feels. Oh, you know what? Before I open this though, I've seen pictures of it. I wonder if the texture really is wavy like that or if that's just like some kind of like design or something. We'll see. Oh, it is. It's bumpy. Ooh, looky loo. It's actually bumpy. Ah, okay. Let's swatch it. It looks so pretty though. It almost looks fake. Okay, here we go. It's quite golden. I like that. I like gold highlighters. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Look how pretty that is. So all of my brushes are dirty, so I went and grabbed this one and cleaned it off as good as I could. So let's give this bad boy a little sweepy weepy. Oh my god, it looks fake. Ah, okay. It's official. This is perfect. It's perfect. This will be my new everyday, forever and ever highlight. I had a feeling I would really like it. It's a little shimmery, but I dig it. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so perfect. Okay. All right. Well, definitely worth $28. I will tell you that. Packaging, beautiful. The whole inside is so pretty. I can't get over it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I am very pleased. Okay. Well, that's it. This was me doing my highlight for the day. Thank you. Thank you very much. I love it. I just don't know who Amrezy is. Oh well. Have a good day. And I'll see you later. Bye.